Annyeonghaseyo. Hello everyone. I'm Sherilyn Trisha Idims and Karen's mom. A grateful mom, and we're coming to you live from our home, which was generously bought for us by our amazing sponsors. Just a few days ago, Typhoon Tino tasted our house, and I'm here to report that I stood strong. In this video, I'll be sharing the current situation or experience during the typhoon and an update on electricity and water. Our home, built by our sponsors after Typhoon Odette, took our old house, has proven to be safe. Despite the strong winds and rains, our house remained intact, and for that we're truly thankful. As you can see, we don't have electricity but our water supply is slowly coming back. Slowly coming back, we've been able to fill up some containers. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to our sponsors like Chusung Jin, Kitimjang Nim, and Maldalisa Nim for our house build. For giving us a second chance in a safe, secure home, your kindness and generosity have changed our lives, and we're forever grateful. Thank you, keeping us safe during Typhoon Tino. 감사합니다.